able to go around the defender. He's cutting in, right foot, shot, goal! Pascal Million with a sensational shot a minute before half. He cut it in at the bottom of the crossbar far post, and it's 1-0 FC Tampa Bay.
And cameras on. Yes, I'm giving them what they want, but no, I will not ever conform. Cause I'm outside of the norm, still with a spectacular form. From the blood, sweat, and the tears shed every time I perform. And whenever you doing your thing, yep, people will hate on it usually. But I'm just as human as you. I just look good while doing it. And they telling me I have so much dough, I won't know what to do with it. Well, until then, I'ma continue maneuvering because I am the champion. What a spectacular athlete. I am the champion. If I do say so myself. Lights, cameras, action. Seriously. Whenever I play, yeah. I say we are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. I say we are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. I look in the mirror and laugh like, look at what I've become. Everyone calls me Bob, but I'm still my mother's son. And I'm low-key when I'm out now. Hell, no fame ain't fun. But I stay live like NBA on your PlayStation. And I entertain cause I'm in the game. It's easy to see I ain't in the fame. Cause I ain't. And the critics say I imitate, but I really can't. Please allow me to demonstrate. No matter what they say, I stay charged up like a AAA. Really, man? Really, man? I am the champion. I wake up and pitch excellence. I am the champion. All day. Lights, cameras, action. Please hold your applause. Whenever I play, I'm kind of a big deal. And I say we are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. I say we are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Past is the past, you know. It's a new day, bro. My day. You gotta do it now. Hey, hey, hey. Gotta stay on my grind, cause this is my time. My time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say. This is what we've been waiting for right here, y'all. This moment right here. It's my time. Come on. Low soul. Guess what time it is? My my time, you can check your iPhone. Better say it's our time, I don't even need a watch, I don't even see a clock. Soon as I walk in, it feel like me o'clock. Yeah, me o'clock. Every time my checks, niggas don't measure up and try to blame the Pyrex. I'ma do it bigger than a 5X. Can't ride with a L, so I don't drive Lex. Game so bickery, so full of trickery. Nursery, rhyming, hickory, dickory, blowing that sour. The hood call it pickery. Biggie, Puffy, Buster, victory. Yes.
Can't you worry about the past, 'cause that was yesterday. I'ma put it on the line, 'cause it's my time. Hey, hey, hey. Gotta stay on my grind, 'cause it's my time. My time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say. If you with me, let me hear you say.
My time's more like fly time. Don't call it getting dressed, call it in the sky time. If you ain't a pilot, you probably couldn't style it. Unless you was a stewardess, you won't know what to do with this. First I took the time out, then I put the time in. Money ain't everything, it's more about the timing. So I got the Audemars, flawless diamonds. In other words, that's called perfect timing. I feel like a favor, I feel like a savior. They clock in my neck, I feel like I'm flavor. I go so hard, low so God. Damn, street, fit it.
Go hard today. Can't you worry about the past, 'cause that was yesterday. I'ma put it on the line, 'cause it's my time. Hey, hey, hey. Gotta stay on my grind, 'cause it's my time. My time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say. If you with me, let me hear you say. I've been up in the zone, sign it dotted line, now it's on. So y'all better check your recipes. Why? 'Cause it's time to make history. Yeah, since I've been here up on this hit streak, how the hell you gonna evict me? Hey, you know I'm here to stay, never clocking out. Big bottles we popping now, no telling when we stopping now. And I represent the chick AGO on the track with FABO. You know we go hard today. Past, 'cause that was yesterday. I'ma put it on the line, 'cause it's my time. Hey, my time. Gotta stay on my grind, 'cause it's my time. My time, my time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say. If you with me, let me hear you say. Oh, it's my time.
EQ Production. Yo, B, what's up, man? B, what's up, man?
Bro.
You know what time is it, right? What time
Time
is
to
it,
let
right?
the people know what it is.
Alex, Lemon, Master, MDF, by second cut, Sukran. The champion is here. I am the champion is here. The champion is here. I am the champion is here. Knock, c'est Mr. BCP Red. Attenance tout la kouem toujours à bébéné. Gayen qui dit que li pap jamais vi nan yen. Yon si bout pe kembe nan me chache chez mes terrain. Mais jodi a ma pe souri gayen même ka frémi. C'est grand merci avec bon Dieu qui fait que m'a préjoui. Merci Père l'Éternel. En pile humiliation.
Cross coming in and into the goal, and Pascal Millien with the shot and goal.
I like the stars, they dark for the night, they brighter the shine. Yes, I'm on my time, it's my time to shine. I remember the first time when I took the mic. Everybody jump so high, like Mike in Chicago Bulls. Yes, bro, this is Mr. P. If you don't know now, you better check yourself.